2012 CT200H. The Lexus CT200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, keyless entry, cruise control, keyless start, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, side airbag system, fog lamps, power windows, MP3 playback stereo, daytime running lights. Come see the car for yourself.